What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I just pranked Nelson. That's gonna be on the other channel though, so if you guys want to see that, go to the other channel. I'll leave the link in the description. But today we're gonna do some turn signal lights for my WRX. Yeah, we already started.
I thought we were actually just recording.
Yeah, so I
pulled out some ridiculous stuff.
So first of all, we're gonna have to take the bumper off, obviously. I took my license plate off already, but we're gonna take off the bumper. Little update on the splitter. I had it, how long have I had the splitter? Like not even a month? And I've already like demolished this thing. I mean, it was already kind of broken.
Too much, 'cause I've been here for months already.
Yeah. So I'm gonna probably take that off some other day. Here are the turn signal lights that we're gonna be installing. They're blacked out. These ones look tough. I can't wait to put these on. Cause like,
We're gonna take this off. I don't know how to take that off.
yeah, we're gonna have to figure that out. Like, it's just gonna be blacked out.
It's gonna look better.
That's gonna look sick. I kinda wanna get these carbon or like gloss them out. All right. So first we're gonna take off the bumper and then we're gonna come back to you guys. All right, bumper is off. Now we gotta disconnect these harnesses.
The turn signal.
Bam, bam.
Once we do that, we'll be right back to show you what else we're gonna do.
Yes, sir. Bumper is completely off.
Wow, Mauricio.
What?
So I guess the only thing I have to do is take these bolts off and just pop this right off. It should be straight, I think.
So these two bolts and then pop it off. Lit. Tough. Update on Nelson's car. It's not here. Sad face.
We made a video, but we can't post because of my lawyer.
Yeah, we can't post a video right now, but we're gonna try to see when we can post it. There's 2 videos already that we made, but we're just waiting for some yes or some no's.
Syrup. Was that really his name, Syrup?
I don't know, he says syrup.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
You should have said, what kind of syrup? Maple syrup?
Or strawberry. I should think about it. You trying to go to IHOP?
Boy, I ain't got no money for that. Dude, I lost my card.
Really?
Yeah.
I
can't
got the
find
Apple card.
I don't.
You try to see. Let's see if I can pop this. Because I've never done this. So I'm not sure if we gotta just push this in.
Tough.
I was not about to push all those things out.
There you go. God damn.
You want to keep those here?
Yeah, I just keep them here.
You gonna keep them?
Yeah.
Because I have some. This one's gonna be a lot easier.
This one's gonna be a lot easier. Tough. Yeah, you just fist it. Yeah, look, fist it and bam, out. Now we get the new ones. You, come here now.
Yeah, I just spit all over your shoulder.
Ew.
Are you gonna put the part where I said I got this for your birthday?
Yeah.
Because I actually thought we were recording a review for his car, but man, if you guys want to see that and my reaction, just head over to the other channel.
Yeah, that shit was.
That was extreme.
That was funny, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna take these little things off because on the outside, like, look how they look. Because I had the little rods. Now I just got these metal pieces just hanging there. So I'm gonna take these off.
We can take that off after. See how this shit goes.
Yeah. Nice.
I think the hardest part of this is just like taking out the whole front bumper.
Yeah, but I mean, we've done it so many times, so
It's like the easiest thing ever.
it's not even that hard.
So you're gonna grab the washer and like the little nut looking thing, the screw. Okay, come on, stop playing with me, stop fighting. Yo, alright, here we go. Washer first. Screw. You got some new hardware, buddy.
Nice. I got some new bling.
Alright, just do that and do for the rest.
Yep.
That's it, that's literally it. Alright guys, what we're doing now, we have them installed. He just cleaned this around. Ooh, wow, that's nice. Look. So nice. Before, look at that. Guys, this thing was freaking filthy. I don't know if you guys can see it. See how brown and dirty that is? Oh, nice and shiny. Alright, so now we have these little plugs. What you're going to do is just plug in this little thing. Let me see. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Alright. Just push it in just like that. This has double-sided tape, so I don't have nails for this. Excuse me. Alright, hold on, one second. And then once you put this off, you can just literally put it anywhere. Like, what I'm gonna do is just like put it like right there. Just because, you know, it's a nice little spot, and you just press down. And then the other connection just connects to the harness that the other ones were connected to. I'm gonna press down on it. And then we have two of those. So one for the left side and one for the right side. Like I said, you just plug it in, put it right here. That's how I'm gonna put it, because like it's a nice spot to have it, as you can see, and it fits real good. Come on, yo. Like I said, I'm putting it right here just because it looks nice, it's clean, and then I'm gonna just like zip tie those wires just so it won't be all dangly. So yeah, guys, this, plug it in, and you should be straight. And the other harness is for the turn signal harness, for just like OEM harness. Easy install, just plug and play, simple as that. All right, just for the last part, guys, I'm gonna do the most satisfying part. Just take this right off. And then once you just do that, because you don't want to put it over and then take that right off, because it's just gonna like get caught up in there. So you're going to do is just put in the sides. Put in the sides first. Literally, once you do that, you just want to push in. You can hear that little click noise, just like that. Once you hear this clicking noise, then it's secure inside. Damn, that looks good.
Before we put the bumper on, we're gonna see if these actually work. So we just connected the wires. Now let's see if they work. Press the button. It looks good though. Like, this junk's all blacked out. Look at that. Damn. Damn, these junks look sick. Damn, bro.
Good.
Yeah, that shit look good. I like that.
That looks real good.
Damn.
It's so much better than those chrome ones.
Yeah. It looks really good.
Damn.
I like that. You got your little sea light going on. That junk bright as hell. Oh shoot. Oh, this is from dude, look what happened to my stand. Freaking broke it.
Five Below.
Nah, this was not from Five Below. I've had this jump forever. Yeah. Damn, that shit look good. Damn. Blacked out. Alright guys, we are done putting those turn signal lights on. I think it looks good, to be honest. It looks good because like my car is like black and white, basically. It is. But I mean, I like it. Soon I'm gonna have to take my hood off because winter is coming. I'm gonna have to take it off. About to go winter mode. I think I'm gonna be selling my wheels. If anyone wants them, hit me up. I'm selling them. Like what, 1,700 without tires? Okay, like I was saying before, my memory came up on, I don't know, what is it called? My memory was full, okay? So, like I was saying, 1,700 without the tires. They're real works. If you want them, hit me up on IG. My IG is this right there. Nelson's IG is right there.
That's me.
Lit. So yeah, if you want to buy them, whatever. I don't know. I'm gonna post them on Facebook. I want something flashy, you know. I want some bling, right? The ones I really want are too expensive, so I don't know about those. But I am definitely gonna have a lot of things coming for this car. I gotta keep up with my boy Nelson. Like, this man, he's about to do a lot of stuff, so I gotta do a lot of stuff, you know? So here we go. It's probably the last time you guys are gonna see this car with the hood on and those wheels. I'm about to go winter mode on y'all. Shit. Just in case you guys didn't know, my Instagram is this. But yeah, Nelson's car would have been right here.
You guys can see my trunk over there.
Yeah, he said he's gonna give it to me for free. Sight. This is the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. We're gonna have a lot of things coming with all of our Subarus. This one, maybe this one. I don't know, Ricky. You gotta come on, bruh. Okay. Ricky about to get something. But a lot of things are about to happen with Nelson's car, especially.
He doesn't know. So
Yeah, I don't know.
It's gonna be a big reveal.
Yeah, there's gonna be a big reveal. You're gonna see my reaction. So yeah, please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.